Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our latest new product, the ROD-3316. What this product is a 300-foot fiberglass rodder. The rod itself is fiberglass with a nylon plastic overcoat, and it's 3/16 in diameter. This rodder has a steel frame and a steel cage to keep the rodder in place. Uses a wing nut here as a brake for the cage to keep it from spinning on its own. I'd show you right there like that. Has an eyelet to help guide the rod. Very simple and easy to use. Can also be used horizontally as well as vertically. The rodder has a bullnose eyelet on the end. The eyelet uses a 1/4 thread, and it has an accessory kit in the back here. The accessory kit comes with additional eyelet. It comes with some replacement parts. It comes with 2 end pieces in case they break, and it comes with the glue to glue them back on. It also comes with a splice coupling. If the rod does break anywhere, you can at least piece it back together. It also comes with 2 leaders, a nylon ball leader and an eyelet leader. And these leaders are great in ducts because it helps guide the rodder through, especially if there's multiple 90-degree turns. You really need to use that leader to guide the rodder through. The advantage of the rodder over, let's say, an electrical fish tape is that it does have this 360-degree movement, where the fish tape, being a flat piece of tape, really does not, predominantly wants to go up and down, does not want to go crosswise. So that is an advantage of using a rodder. Put that back. So with that, thank you.